Changing your primary email on iCloud Mail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Sign into iCloud. Open your web browser and go to the iCloud website. Enter your Apple ID and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your name or the account settings icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings page. Step 3. Manage your email. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Mail or Email. Click on it to access your email settings where you can manage your email addresses. Step 4. Change primary email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new email address, follow the prompts to confirm the change. You may receive a verification email at the new address, so make sure to check your inbox and verify the change. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on iCloud Mail will be updated. Make sure to keep your account information secure and regularly check for any updates from Apple regarding your account settings.